Okay, warm welcome everyone to this special session, which is called Financial Success Model by Women on Wealth. And we have, I mean, I am really thrilled today. Why? Because today we are financially educating our teachers, our students who are going to further make a difference to the world, to the young people around us. So I think nothing best today, such a special day. And thanks to all of you for taking out time and really investing in your own self. A little bit about me. So I am Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth. And what we do at Women on Wealth, as Bhupinder has already shared, we help women take charge of their finances. So we run online financial training and coaching programs so that women can learn how they can manage their money and how they can grow it effectively. We've now been operational for the last 9 years and we have helped over 4,000 women till now. They've become debt free, come out of living paycheck to paycheck. They today save at least 25% more than they ever saved. Many women have learned how to pick good quality stocks, how to pick their own investments without depending on their husband, father, broker. Some women have gotten a voice in their families, their new identities, and they are going ahead, starting their own businesses and buying their own properties. So, finance has majorly been a male domain in our families. And our intention at Women on Wealth is to make it gender free so that more and more women can take charge of their finances and they can get involved in major financial decision making in their families. A little bit about me. So, if you ever thought to manage your money and invest it well, you need to be great in maths or finances, or you need to be working in an investment bank. Know that I have none of that background. I'm a master's in journalism. I used to be a journalist with news agencies like the Press Trust of India and more. I used to have great salary, which I used to spend on branded shoes, clothes, bags because that's what I knew best. I always wanted to create wealth and I didn't know how to do that. I got a big shock when one of my male colleagues ended up buying a property. He was at the same position as mine, same salary as mine. And he ended up buying a property while I had not even managed to save that much money. So that's where my quest to wealth began. And I thought the first person to take guidance from is my dad. And like all of our dads, he mentioned that I should do traditional investments like PPF, fixed deposits. I did those. And I realized that the rate of return was really low. And I had big goals then. I wanted to buy my own property in Delhi NCR, earn from my investments, ultimately build a corpus for my business. And I knew none of those goals were possible. And I thought, okay, what are the different actions I could take to get a different result? And one of the different actions that showed up for me was to check with this male colleague of mine. And when I checked with him, he mentioned that he invests in the stock market. So straight I went ahead, opened a demat account, got myself a broker, started buying and selling everything that my broker told me to do. Only to realize in 2008 that I lost 90% of what I had invested. And at that time, I was so sad and disgusted with what had happened that I thought wealth creation was not for me and that I should give up. So I literally gave up. I thought, let me just continue with my job, and that's about it. Until I met my mentors. So I met a stock investor, a property investor, a serial entrepreneur, and a business coach. And when these guys begin to guide me, they gave me small exercises to do. I learned that finance was a system that all of us could actually learn, practice, and master. And I did that exactly. And financial clarity began to emerge in my life. Like I exactly knew how much money was coming into my life, how much money was going out, where that money was going, how much money I needed to reach my financial goals, what were my financial goals, how much money I needed to invest where to reach my goals, what was my financial plan, and more. My big success was when I learned that there was a step by step methodology to pick investments. It wasn't like you go to a broker and he'll tell you what to buy, or your husband will tell you what to buy, or your dad will tell you what to buy. No, there was a science and art to it, and I could learn it. So, my stock investor mentor taught me that there was a step by step methodology to pick good stocks. I learned a methodology to pick good mutual funds. And my success was when I built an entire investment portfolio without depending on anybody in my life. And another success was when I started by making 70,000 rupees in 120 minutes, and I kept making money like that till I could buy my own property in Delhi NCR. I could start earning from my investments, and at that time, when I was earning more than what my expenses were, earning from my investments, I was earning more than what my expenses were. I knew that I was free to take up meaningful projects in my life. And I kind of gave up on my job then. And 2011, we started Women on Wealth. And since then, there has been no looking back. Served 4,000 women, and they've been covered by BBC News, Zee Business News Channel, Hindustan Times, Femina Magazine, Entrepreneur Magazine. Also, Sherry Blair, who is wife of Mr. Tony Blair, wrote about us herself in the Huffington Post, and she came from London specially to visit us in Delhi, and offered us the India partnership for the Sherry Blair Foundation. And now we nominate women to her programs in the foundation. So this is pretty much about Women on Wealth and I. And now I welcome all of you, and big thanks to Bhupinder, who is causing this talk for all of us. So now, if you're ready for financial success and learning how to get there, could you type in ready in the comments box? Let's start engaging. I'm changing the settings. You all will not manage to unmute yourself. But yeah, let's start typing. Bhupinder, making you the co-host so that you have the rights. Are you ready? Just type ready if you're ready for financial success and learning how to get there. Let's make this a more interactive session. Smita is ready. So is Kanika, Vandana. What about others? Shazia, Shobha. Got that, guys. So you're ready for financial success. Wrinkle. Got that, guys. So let's begin. Today I bring to you two very important concepts. And the first concept that I want to talk about today is about three phases of wealth creation. And you have to excuse me today, I have very bad cold. So yeah, let's begin. So the three phases of wealth creation, please make notes. So the first phase is the accumulation phase, where you begin to accumulate money, save it. The second phase is the growth phase, where you begin to grow your money beyond inflation. And the third phase is the income phase, where you begin to generate an investment income, an income which is an alternate source of income. And I think the pandemic has taught us that we need various sources of income. So these are the three phases of wealth building: accumulation phase, number two, growth phase, number three, income phase. Let's talk about accumulation. We all save. Could you all say if you all manage to accumulate money? Just say yes if you manage to save it. Or if you don't, you could actually say no. That's fine too. So start typing. Okay. Rachna, Vandana, we have only two people who managed to accumulate. Okay. Okay, Chanchal, Kanika, got that, guys. Okay, so we all manage to accumulate money. Now let's talk about the growth phase. Do we manage to beat inflation with our investments? So guys, inflation is for July, it is reported at 7%. So when we can grow our money over and above 7%, that's called like growing your money, being in the growth phase. Okay, investing, multiplying your money. So please start sharing. Like, let me share. Like, savings account give us 2%. So it's much below inflation. So our money is not growing. It's actually reducing in value. Yes, absolute numbers में तो वो 10,000 रुपए 10,000 ही दिखेंगे. बट इन रियलिटी जो आप उस 10,000 से 3 साल पहले खरीद सकते थे और अभी खरीद सकते हो उसमें फर्क होता है. So savings account give us 2%, fixed deposits give us 4%. What else? Let me talk about policies now. You know, a lot of us do a lot of policies. There are many schemes at LIC, Aditya Birla, and so many companies are there which offer us such policies. So guys, tell me, let me ask you a question. Imagine that there is a broker who's telling you कि आप 1 lakh rupees per year इस स्कीम में इन्वेस्ट करो for 10 years और 20 years के बाद ना आपको 22 लाख रुपीस मिलेंगे. तो आप 10 साल तक 10 लाख रुपए दे रहे हो और 20 साल के बाद आपको 22 लाख रुपए मिल रहे हैं. Is this scheme beating inflation? Your money is doubling, right? 10 लाख 22 लाख बन रहा है. Is this beating inflation? A lot of us invest in such schemes, by the way. How many of you have such schemes कि 10 साल तक पे करो फिर 20 साल बाद पैसे मिलेंगे? Just say yes. No? Amita, you don't have? Okay. Rachna, I didn't get your question. Mutual funds, safe investments, no risk. I didn't get. Rachna? Anybody who's invested in any such scheme जिसमें ऐसे 10 साल 15 साल तक पे करो फिर 20 साल 30 साल के बाद पैसे मिलते हैं? Okay, we have nobody. We have all intelligent women here. Brilliant. Okay. एक्चुअली में अगर आप एब्सोल्यूट नंबर्स में देखोगे ना तो आप 1-1 लाख रुपए करके 10 साल में 10 लाख रुपए दे रहे हो और एब्सोल्यूट नंबर्स में आपको 22 लाख रुपए वापस आ रहे हैं. लेकिन अगर आप इसको इन्फ्लेशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखोगे तो आपका पैसा सिर्फ 5% से ग्रो कर रहा है और आज से 20 साल के बाद जो आपको 22 लाख रुपए मिल रहे हैं ना वो आज की डेट के सिर्फ 8.5 लाख रुपए, 8.5 लाख रुपीज ऑफ टुडे. वो दिखता है कि 22 लाख रुपए है और बहुत सारे हम जैसे लोग इन्वेस्ट कर लेते हैं बट एक्चुअली में वो 22 लाख नहीं है. एक्चुअली में वो आज का 8.5 लाख है. तो हमने जितने पैसे डिपॉजिट किए ना उतने पैसे भी हमें वापस नहीं मिल रहे. तो ये स्कीम्स आर नॉट इन द ग्रोथ फेज. जब हम ग्रोथ फेज की बात कर रहे हैं तो हम इन्वेस्टमेंट्स की बात कर रहे हैं जिसमें हम इन्फ्लेशन को बीट कर पाए. So how many of you are invested in the growth phase? And that too invested से मेरा मतलब ये नहीं है कि ब्रोकर ने बोला और हमने इन्वेस्ट कर लिया. इन्वेस्टेड से मेरा मतलब ये है कि हाँ हमें उन फंड्स की उन स्टॉक्स की पूरी से समझ है. हमें पता है कि क्या स्टेप बाय स्टेप मेथडोलॉजी होता है टू पिक गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स और हमने ग्रोथ फेज में अपने पैसे लगा रखे हैं और हमें पता है हम 7% से ज्यादा रिटर्न जनरेट कर रहे हैं. अमिता, ओके. ओके, रचना नहीं है. ओके, गॉट दैट रचना. What about others? No, I'm not in the growth phase. Got that, Preeti? What about others? Okay, I'm not even invested. I'm not in the growth phase. तो हम सिर्फ accumulation phase में अभी रखना. ठीक है? Got that, Vandana. So now look at this, guys. And if we are not beating inflation, अगर अभी इन्फ्लेशन 7% पे है और हम सिर्फ फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट्स करके बैठे हैं जो 4% पे है, तो हमारा मनी रिड्यूस हो रहा है वैल्यू में। सो आप जितनी मेहनत कर रहे हो इनटू अर्निंग मनी, उसी मेहनत का उल्टा हो रहा है जहां पे आपकी सेविंग्स है। आपको दिख तो रहा है कि जितनी मेरी सेविंग्स है वो वैल्यू में उतनी ही है, एब्सोल्यूट नंबर्स में, लेकिन एक्चुअली उसका परचेजिंग वैल्यू, परचेजिंग पावर कम होता जा रहा है। आर यू गाइज ओके अबाउट डाइंग इन पॉवर्टी? और आर वी काइंड ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग फ्रॉम कि ठीक है, यू नो, we will have pension, so it's okay, let's not grow our money? Or are you guys really seriously, it's just an inquiry to get into, you know, there's nothing wrong or bad about things, it's just what's at stake. Do you all have financial goals? Could you start typing them? Like, you know, your financial goals, I'm just giving examples, could be building a retirement fund, putting your kids higher education fund together, or it could be buying your own property. Yeah? Buying a property of my own. Could you start typing all your goals? I'm sure all of you have goals. No goals? Come on, guys, we're what, 19 of us. Start typing. What are our goals? Nobody wants to buy a property of her own. Big diamond ring for myself. No goals, Rachna? Like, kuch nahi? Okay? Like, nothing do you want which requires money? Got it. I want a house with a garden. Got that, Shazia. And for how long do you have this goal, Shazia? Preeti, what's your goal, Preeti? Retirement fund. Okay, got that. For how long, guys, do you have these goals? Okay, Shazia has it for 8 years. Vandana is saying, I want a secure retirement. Preeti is saying, I want a bigger house. Got that. So then, guys, my next question to you is, for how long you've had these goals? Take my parents on a holiday. How many of you want to take your parents on a holiday? Buy that large diamond ring, take your husband on an exotic vacation. I'm just giving you ideas. So, Preeti, for how long you've been having these goals? Bigger house. Vandana, secure retirement. How many years? Shazia said 8 years. Got it. Bigger house for the last 2 years. Got that. Got that. And guys, now, you know, if you have these goals, if we have no goals, then तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है ना. Like one of us said कि ठीक है मेरे नहीं है goals, then probably we don't need to do anything. It's okay, right? However, if we have goals and we want to reach them, we want to kind of explore our own potential and kind of build that kind of money, then we definitely need to be learning how to grow our money. And then once we are growing our money, we will also build an income which is an alternate source of income from investments. So accumulation, growth and income, these are the three phases that run simultaneously. तो ऐसा नहीं होता है कि मतलब प्रैक्टिकली में फाइनेंसेस में, वेल्थ क्रिएशन के स्पेस में, कि आप पहले अक्यूमुलेट करोगे, फिर ग्रो करोगे, फिर आपकी एक इनकम जनरेट होगी, ऐसे नहीं होता है. In the world of finances, you accumulate, you grow it simultaneously, because nahi to inflation will eat it up. Inflation will eat up your money. So you have to grow it simultaneously and income भी simultaneously generate होना शुरू हो जाती है. So you are then actually no more dependent on a job or a business to take care of your expenses, or you're not dependent on your husband to take care of your expenses. Like then is actually the space of financial freedom. So guys, these are the three phases of wealth building, and let me now share some of the steps to wealth creation. Now that I've shared this one secret to wealth creation, let me share the second one. The second one is, how do I create wealth? How do you do that? So for that, I'm now sharing my screen so that all of you can see it. Okay, so let me share my screen now. So how do you create wealth? How do you reach your goals? What are the steps for it? So let's begin with the first step right now. And the first step is resolving to start. Many of us have goals. We may have not identified them. ये भी हो सकता है कि हमने आज तक articulate ही नहीं किया कि मेरे को फ्यूचर में किस चीज के लिए पैसा चाहिए, ये भी हो सकता है. So और या तो ये भी हो सकता है कि हाँ मेरे गोल्स हैं पर मुझे आज तक कुछ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट मिला ही नहीं, मुझे पता ही नहीं कि कैसे स्टार्ट करना है, क्या करना है आगे बढ़ने के लिए. So today guys, can all of you resolve to start? Can you say resolved in the chat if you are actually resolving to start on your goals independently? कि यार अब ना मैंने किसी ब्रोकर, अपने हस्बैंड, कॉलीग, किसी के ऊपर डिपेंड होके नहीं करना है. अब मुझे इंडिपेंडेंटली खुद सीख के, you know, I want to really take charge of my finances, because if I'm earning so well, I need to be actually growing it as well instead of depreciating it, instead of, you know, kind of reducing its purchasing power. So guys, can you type in resolved? If you're actually resolving to take charge today, do something about this situation. Got it? Preeti, Rachna, Nibha, Vandana, got that guys, Shobha, yeah, got it. Today we are resolving, right? And let's like really take charge, because you know, like one of my community members said, if I won't, who will? And now that you've taken on, now that you've resolved, here is the next step, the second step, which is that you all need to learn how to research investments. Like nobody will ask Bhupinder ever, oh Bhupinder, you know, you are a part of the Women on Wealth community, तू ही बता दे. नहीं यार, अब भूपिंदर के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करना है, अपने हस्बैंड के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करना है, किसी के ऊपर डिपेंड करके नहीं करना है. You are all smart women, educated women. You can do this. Like I often say, if I can do it, everybody can. Everybody. So that's the second step. Please write this down. That you all need to learn how to research investments. And there is a system involved. Okay, guys, everybody, all of you need to write this down. That finance is a system. It's a step-by-step system, and you all can learn it, practice it to mastery. So that's step number 2, where you all need to research and learn the system. Now coming to the third step. And the third step is to build the attitude of an investor. It's to build the attitude of an investor, somebody who's willing to learn at all times, persist, be disciplined, be actually like somebody who has an open heart and is willing to kind of build her risk appetite. And it's all only knowledge based, nothing else. Nothing else. And know that the fourth step is that mentors are a key. Like, I'm clear, had my mentors not been there, I would have not made it to my goals. I would have not gotten where I am today. So, mentors are a key. These are people who've done it themselves and are willing to support. And it's all about making a difference. Like my team member Beena is here and she's all passionate about making a difference and nothing else at all. And last is find a community, which is a secret success ingredient. What does community mean, guys? We are all equal to 5 people around us. If those 5 people can be financially successful people, we'll be financially successful too. So, repeating the steps. Step number 1, resolve to start. Don't sit down with the old perception that, okay, somebody else will do it for us. We all need to now take charge. We're all independent women, and enough of being dependent as far as managing money and investing it well is concerned, or probably not doing anything at all with it is concerned. Like, let's not waste our effort is definitely, one agenda that we have at Women on Wealth. Second, learn the methodology. There is a step-by-step methodology that you can learn, and know that finance is a system. You can practice it. There are steps involved. You can practice it and master it. And it doesn't require great maths, great IQ levels. Nothing is needed. You don't need a background in finance for this. I have none of this, and I've managed to build wealth. So can you. Third, build an attitude of an investor. Fourth, mentors are a key. Find people who are financially successful themselves and take guidance. Step number 5, find a community of financially successful people and be a part of it. Be a part of such group. We're all equal to 5 people around us, and if you can be a part of such group, you will be successful too. So guys, that's the second secret. Any questions before I move forward? You can type in your questions. I'll be happy to answer them. Any questions around money, finances, financial success, reaching your goals? No questions, guys? Just type no if you have no questions. Like nothing. Okay, where to find the mentor to start? So, because I am from Women on Wealth, I would propose that you find a mentor in us at Women on Wealth. Okay, Kanika has no questions. Anybody? Any questions on investing, money management, saving money, building businesses? No questions at all? Guys, think, share. If I'm sharing a link for you that you can go through. this will give you a lot of information about Women on Wealth and a lot of activities that we do on Facebook as an open community for women. No questions? Anyone? Sure, Nibha. Okay. Let's see who all are here. Okay, Preeti has a question. So, are the traditional financial tools good to invest in, like PPF or NSC? Sure. So, Preeti, the challenge with PPF is that it's hardly like, it's hardly beating inflation. I think if I'm not wrong, PPF interest rate is 7.1. Just correct me if that's so. Because last I remember I saw, yeah, 7.1, right? Yeah. So, and inflation for July was 7%. Yeah, and NSC is also similar. So it's hardly beating inflation. Then it's not growth phase. It's still the accumulation phase only, Preeti. So the money will, you may feel that okay 20 lakhs से 22 lakhs हो गया, but actually वो 22 lakhs में अभी भी आप वो 20 lakhs जितना ही buy कर सकते हो, तो फिर वो growth phase नहीं हुई. So, I mean, ये ना वही है, we just kind of keep investing in instruments thinking they are safe, but they are actually not safe because they don't save us from inflation. पर ये हमको कोई बताता नहीं है ना? प्रीति, आई एम सो ग्लैड यू आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन. व्हाट डू आई सजेस्ट? प्रीति, मैं ये सजेस्ट करती हूँ कि, और ये ना मैं पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से बोल रही हूँ कि ठीक है, अब हमारे को हैबिट है ऐसे इन सब चीजों को सेफ समझने की, लेकिन हमें कहीं ना कहीं अपनी आईज ओपन करनी पड़ेंगी टू द फैक्ट कि बड़ी मैं कर क्या रही हूँ. मेरा वो 20 लाख रुपए तो 20 लाख ही है ना, मतलब वो 22 लाख नहीं बन रहा है. They occur safe. Preeti, the problem is that they occur safe. They are not safe. They are not beating inflation, but they are not saving us from inflation. आप समझ रहे हो? ये सिर्फ वो हमको ऐसे लगता है अच्छा मेरा जितना मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया था उतना तो मतलब उतने का उतना ही रहा. अरे पर वो उतना रहा नहीं ना. अगर सोचो अभी इन्फ्लेशन और बढ़ जाए, 8% इन्फ्लेशन पहुंच जाएगा, तो ये तो 7.1% कर रहे हैं, तो ये तो बीट करना बंद कर देंगे. अभी तो ये चलो एट पार हो गया. So what I am really passionate about is कि okay, can we all take on educating ourselves? Can we all take on learning? क्योंकि जब हम चीजों के बारे में लर्न करेंगे ना, डिफरेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑप्शंस के बारे में लर्न करेंगे, फाइनेंस एज अ सिस्टम, ये सिस्टम क्या होता है उसके बारे में सीखेंगे कि स्टेप्स क्या इन्वॉल्व है. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है एजुकेशन इज द की. आप लोगों ने एजुकेशन ली तभी आप लोग ऐसा नौकरी कर रहे हो. टुडे यू आर फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट. द सेम वे फाइनेंशियल एजुकेशन है, एंड इट हैज मेड मी फाइनेंशियली फ्री. My team members, my community members are free, and so can you, right? So the investment tools, I am not an advisor, okay? So I would not name investments, but definitely I would give you categories. Like you guys could at least start learning about stocks, start learning about mutual funds. हम mutual funds में कैसे करते हैं invest? अभी प्रीति को या किसी को भी ना कोई ब्रोकर बोलेगा कि हाँ ये अच्छे इन्वेस्टमेंट्स है, तो वो उस म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट कर देंगे. किसी कॉलीग ने बोला ये म्यूचुअल फंड अच्छा है, तो उसमें इन्वेस्ट कर दिया. एंड आई हैव पर्सनली मेट सो मेनी वुमेन, प्रीति एंड एवरीबडी हियर, जो मतलब जब स्टॉक मार्केट और सारी मार्केट्स क्रैश करी थी अभी मार्च में, 35% नीचे आई थी सारी मार्केट, एंड पीपल वर स्कैर्ड कि यार पता नहीं मेरे ब्रोकर ने सही म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करा भी है या नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरे को तो कोई तरीका आता नहीं है उसको स्टडी करने का या रिसर्च करने का, तो मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि ये ठीक भी है या नहीं. तो हम ना हमेशा उस डायलेमा में ही रहते हैं कि पता नहीं ये ठीक भी है या नहीं है. तो अगर आप So that's the downside of being dependent, because you just don't know what you're doing or what your broker is doing. You cannot have smart conversations about money because we don't understand it. And I think that's critical. Just earning money is not enough. We all need to, as you know, I mean, you know, we are the first few women to be working, and you know, being the role models for so many women who are coming after us. And I think this is another area that we all women need to strive for, which is to begin to manage and invest our own money, grow it, reach our goals. I mean, such few women in leadership roles across the world. And yeah, so that's how I feel. Yes, we are into financial education. Preeti, we are into financial education, so we teach women. We teach women.
Priyanka,
Huh,
sorry to interrupt in
sure.
between. If you can give certain tools how to research a
Yeah,
little bit on it.
sure,
So if
sure,
you
sure.
can give your inputs on that.
Sure, sure, Bhupinder. Yes, you've learnt it all. So thank you for the ideas. Um, you know, there are so many tools that you can use. You can even write down the names of the tools. They are screener.in. Today we have a short time. So screener.in, you have moneycontrol.com. You know, there are many such websites that can be used to research mutual funds, रिसर्च स्टॉक्स. बट पहले आपको सीखना पड़ेगा कि रिसर्च में देखना क्या है. मतलब पहले तो पता करना पड़ेगा ना यार, म्यूचुअल फंड होता ही क्या है. आई नो सो मेनी ऑफ अस डोंट इवन नो कि म्यूचुअल फंड होता क्या है, और एसआईपी और म्यूचुअल फंड में फर्क क्या होता है. सो हमको बेसिक्स से शुरुआत करनी पड़ेगी. दैट्स व्हाट आई वुड से. एंड वो बेसिक सीखने के बाद हम खुद इन्वेस्टिंग कर सकते हैं. हमें किसी के ऊपर डिपेंड रहने की जरूरत नहीं है. आजकल इतने टूल्स अवेलेबल हैं दैट हम खुद रिसर्च कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैं आप लोगों को अगर एक टूल दिखाऊं यहाँ पे, ओके, एंड आई एम जस्ट ओपनिंग द टूल. हमको ना ऐसे बहुत सारे टिप्स मिलते रहते हैं कि भाई इस म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करो, इस स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट करो. तो मैंने ना ये screener.in एक वेबसाइट है. यहाँ पे कंपनी सर्च में आप किसी भी कंपनी का नाम डालोगे, क्योंकि स्टॉक्स कंपनीज होती हैं. किसी भी कंपनी का नाम डालोगे तो देखो उसका प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट, उसका बैलेंस शीट, उसका कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट सब आपके सामने आ जाएगा. और हमको क्या करना है, हमको बस समझना है कि भाई ये कंपनी जो बोल रहे हैं कि अच्छा इसमें इन्वेस्ट कर दो, ये कितनी फाइनेंशियली हेल्दी है. राइट. कई बार ना लोग बोल देते हैं हाँ जी टाटा ग्रुप है, बहुत अच्छा ग्रुप है, आप इन्वेस्ट कर लो. अच्छा ठीक है, इन्वेस्ट कर लेते हैं. चलो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट में चलते हैं. ये नेट प्रॉफिट लिखा है, ठीक है, लास्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर है ये मार्च 2020. ये देखो नेट प्रॉफिट में क्या लिखा है, -12,000. -12,000 से क्या मतलब है कि 12,000 करोड़ रुपए का लॉस हुआ है. ये फिगर्स आर इन रुपीस करोड़. 12,000 करोड़ रुपए का लॉस किया है मार्च 2020 में. मार्च 2019 में टाटा मोटर्स ने 28,000 करोड़ का लॉस किया. अब जस्ट बिकॉज हमारे को ना कोई कॉलीग बोल देगा कि भाई टाटा मोटर्स है तो चलो इन्वेस्ट कर लेते हैं. आई हैव जस्ट गिवन यू एन एग्जांपल, ऐसे रैंडम एग्जांपल दिया मैंने. तो मैं ना ये रिसर्च की बात कर रही हूँ. अब इसमें कितना मुश्किल था, क्या मुश्किल था इसमें हम विमेन के लिए? क्या इसमें कोई मैथ्स चाहिए, क्या इसमें कोई बड़ा ही स्पेशल आईक्यू चाहिए देखने के लिए? नहीं ना, सिर्फ एक रिसर्च समझना है कि कैसे करना है. और फाइनेंशियल एजुकेशन एक बहुत बड़ी चीज है जो मिसिंग है हमारे स्कूल एंड कॉलेज सिस्टम में. विद लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट आई एम सेइंग इट, आई हैव लर्नड अ लॉट फ्रॉम माय स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस, but it's a miss in our educational system. And you know, if we can kind of educate ourselves, I think it can make a huge difference. That's where I'm coming from. So Vandana, I've just answered your question on how do you research. Any other questions, guys? Anything else that I could support you with? you can write no questions. If you don't have any questions or any other questions, if you have, please type them on. वैसे सबको वो अभी जो मैंने टाटा मोटर्स का लॉस दिखाया वो समझ में आ गया? आई डिड नॉट आस्क यू गाइस, डिड यू ऑल गेट इट? जस्ट से यस. मोर एग्जांपल्स रचना. आई नो इतना इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाता है ना, देन वी वांट मोर एग्जांपल्स. आई गेट यू रचना. यस यस. और रचना ऐसे सीखने से ना, आई एम श्योर यू विल मैनेज टू आर्टिकुलेट योर गोल्स ऑल्सो. ऐसा नहीं है कि रचना के गोल्स नहीं है, वो आर्टिकुलेट नहीं करते हम लोग ना कई बार. दैट्स व्हाट. रचना बहुत सारे ऐसे एग्जांपल्स हैं. आज घर जाके ना आप अभी अलग अलग कंपनीज के नाम डाल के देखना. या इट्स इजी निभा, है ना? यू नो, सो ओनली 2 of us have gotten the loss thing that I showed. What about the other 17 please? 16, एक तो हमारी बीना ही है. Guys, did you get it? Please say yes. Please say no. कुछ तो बात करो. Yes, Wrinkle. Got it. Jyoti is saying yes. Vandana got it. Brilliant. Yeah. Brilliant. Yes. Shobha got it. Thank you. Thank you, guys. So now, very quickly, I wanna share one of our programs that we've put together, and if you guys would want to consider it. And this is our personal.
Priyanka, there is a question where
Okay.
to put a company name. I think when you have shown that screener.in,
हाँ
if you can show them again.
हाँ हाँ अभी
And,
दिखा देती हूँ. Just 1 second. I'm kind of looking for share button कहाँ गया? Okay. ये देखो यहाँ पे कंपनी सर्च लिखा है ना स्क्रीनर में, ये ऊपर में, यहाँ पे you will put it. Any company's name you can put. ऐसे drop down में आ जाता है फिर. And you can pick any company. That's all. I trust I answered your question. Yes, Preeti. Yes. So I'm now happy to share about our personal finance blueprint program. Yes. Which is our ultimate training system that we've designed to give you access to financial freedom. And we call this the Money Gym program, and it's a 6 steps program. And these are the 6 steps that we work on in the program. In step number 1, we work on building a vision for ourselves. Step number 2, we identify your current financial situation. That's what we help you do. Where all your money is going, learning about that. Where is my money going? And learning where is your net worth? What's your net worth? In step number 3, you identify the gap between where you are financially today, right now, and where you want to be financially. Step number 4, you build your financial plan. You build your retirement plan specially, and you become your own financial planner. Step number 5, you learn to build your own investment portfolio without depending on anybody in your life. You learn how to identify equity mutual funds. What are gold bonds, gold funds, physical gold? इन तीनों में से कौन सा लेना चाहिए, कहाँ से ले सकते हैं अपने आप हम? What are other safe instruments? Okay. Step number 6, we build financial integrity, which is a balance between immediate gratification and our goals. So these are the 6 steps that we work on in the program. And this is what you take away from the program. You get access to coming out of living paycheck to paycheck. You become debt free. You increase your savings by at least 25%. You build a vision for yourself and you get clarity on your financial goals. You become comfortable in asking for money and talking about it. You learn the basics of financial planning, especially retirement, and you become your own financial planner. You learn to build an investment portfolio for yourself. You learn what is that step-by-step methodology to pick good equity mutual funds, gold bonds, gold funds, other safe investments. So this is all that you take away from the program. It's a 2.5 months program, which means 10 weeks program. Once a week, the session will be for 1 hour each week, and total sessions are 10. And once you successfully complete the program, you get an access to join a free community of money gymmers. These are all women who've completed this program, taken tremendous value, and you join this community and you meet us month on month for free. Right now it's a free community that you join, and there are monthly meetups only on Saturdays that happen, where you continue to learn and take your journey forward. And the next batch begins on October 10th, which is Saturday, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. sharp. This is a 1 hour session, same time. We'll meet for 10 Saturdays from October 10th. And this is the total program fee. The total program fee is 20,000 rupees in a batch. You will pay in installments. So you pay 2,000 rupees to book your seat now. You pay 8,000 rupees 20 days before the session begins. And you pay the balance 10,000 after 3 sessions and before the 4th session of the program. So how you're making the payment? The 20,000 rupee payment, pay it in installments. 2,000 rupees to book your seat now. You can Google Pay or Paytm at this number. You can take a photograph. Rupees 8,000 you pay 20 days before the session begins, which is by September 20th. And rupees 10,000, the balance 10,000 you pay after 3 sessions and before the 4th session, which means by October 30th, you are making the balance 10,000 rupee payment. So this is how you pay for the program, and this is the basics. This is the basic program, simplified, but it is not that basic a program too, because you learn about different investments and the entire system that finances. Yes, and you can register now by filling this form, and our team member Beena is right here. She'll get in touch with you to help you complete your registration. Any questions that you have about the program? Yeah, just fill in this form. Even if you don't want to do the program now, at least you will be a part of our emailing list and you will be receiving all the information from us. Also, we do a lot of free activities, and you may want to engage with us there as well. So let me take you through the free activities that we do. So every Monday, Hira Jethanandani, who is our very important team member, core team member, she runs conversations with our women investors on Monday at 5 p.m. So you can join us there on our Facebook page. Tuesday 10 a.m. I decode the ET Wealth newspaper. This is a newspaper which is purely on wealth building, and I decode the newspaper for all of us, because sometimes we don't understand. Okay, we don't understand it. So that's what I do on Tuesdays at 10 a.m. on our Facebook page. Wednesdays, we run a money book club discussion. So there is a money book club for women that we run. This is free. And there are online discussions that we do on various money books. We have a money book club run by another special team member, Sheetal Gurung, on Telegram. Thursdays,
Hello.
yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, Bhupinder, I'm closing in one more second. Okay. I run the Investment Mastery series, which is on Thursday at 5 p.m. Decoding the Economic Times newspaper happens every Friday at 10 a.m. So these are the regular activities that we do for our members, and you could kind of join us on our Facebook page, and I can reshare the link. Okay, Preeti has a question. Bhupinder, can I take this up? Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, okay, thanks. So after going this program, is it surety we will be able to invest in stocks independently? No, in this program, we do not teach you stock investing, Preeti. Here we teach you about mutual funds, gold bonds, gold funds, physical gold, various other kinds of investments, okay? But not stock investing. For stock investing, there is a separate program that we have, which is purely on that. So, yeah. So you begin on mutual funds. Within the program, you begin investing in mutual funds. You begin investing in bonds. Those gold bonds. Those are the activities which happen within the program, and it's a practical program. So that's how. Bhupinder, I know it's 6:02. You wanted to close at 6.
No, it's okay. If anyone has a question, if they would like to ask anything, they can.
Yes, yes. I'm very happy to support our women. Anybody, any other questions? Please type no if you don't have any questions. Okay, Kanika is asking what's the difference between stocks and futures. So Kanika, futures is for people who have mastered the art of stock investing. It's a very advanced way of investing in the stock market, and it's actually trading. It runs on speculation of prices. We are not into speculation or any kind of gambling. Yeah. So our programs, when we teach you about stocks, then it's a mix of science and art. We're not gambling, we're not speculating like we do in futures. We are purely into stock investing, where we learn how to judge the financial health of a company, and we invest in it. So there is no get rich quick scheme. People who invest in futures, they are of the opinion that you could get rich quick, while you can also lose money very quick with such futures and options. So yeah, I highly recommend that if you've not mastered the art of stock investing, you don't even look at futures. First, learn the art of picking good quality stocks, and then step by step get there. That's how. Kanika, I trust I answered your question. Yes, thank you. Okay. Any other questions, anyone? Sure, Vandana, I'm glad. Do make sure you leave your details on the form. We would, we would love to have you as part of our community. Sure. Do you guys want me to put the Facebook link again so that you can kind of start connecting and start taking advantage of all that we have, to offer for free? Yes, Wrinkle? Okay. So here is the link. You could go over it. Many videos you will find. A lot of activities happen. Bhupinder, over to you, please.
Thank you so much for your session. Chanchal ma'am, would you like to say something?
Chanchal, I've just sent you a prompt. Yes? Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm learning so many new things. So everything is new to me. So I'm trying to understand first of all, and let's see if we can join. And it was really an interesting session overall. And I think all of us have learned something new out of it. Thank you so much.
Got it. Thank you. Thank you for all that acknowledgement. And big thanks to Bhupinder, who
Thank
brought
you.
us in here. because without you, Bhupinder, all the difference that we could make today would have not been possible. So really, we are in deep gratitude.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I hope nobody has any question now. Thank you, Priyanka, and your team members.
Thank you for having me. It's an absolute privilege contributing to everybody. Take care, guys.
Thank
See
you.
you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.